I have a baby hair right here, some baby hair that just wants to come down. Like, can you just get with a program and stay with all of your friends? Sheesh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia and today's video is going to be this look inspired by Ariana Grande's In My Head video for Vogue that she did. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see more content like this, and let's get into the video. Next up is my contour, but I'm going to be using a foundation stick. This one is from YSL. This is in the shade B65 Bronze. It's a perfect shade for me. So right here and on the sides of my nose as well. Also on my forehead and on my chin. Next, I'm going to put some setting powder on my face and just leave it there for a little bit. Some light baking, nothing too crazy. I just filled up the cap of the Revlon Photo Ready Candid Anti-Pollution Setting Powder, and I'm going to place this right underneath my eyes, hoping that it'll catch any of the fallout that I'm about to create with my eyeshadow look. So it mattifies the places that I really want, and it locks in the places where I don't want my makeup to move. Next up is going to be my eyebrows. They're a little bit wicked right now, but I'm going to control them, define them, and fill them in using the Brow Wiz pencil from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Really light hand work here. You start dragging too hard and it's going to look unnatural, but even that, it already makes such a huge difference. Then you go back in with your spoolie brush and you just kind of blend as you are distributing the product. And I'm trying not to give them too much of an arch because Ariana Grande's eyebrows just are kind of almost straight. I'm going to set my brows using a little bit of Urban Decay's Brow Tamer, and this is their tinted flexible hold eyebrow gel. This is just going to ensure that my eyebrows stay where I comb them. I'm actually using a palette from Sephora, and this is the Sephora Pro palette. I'm gonna start by using a light beige color, and we're going to cover the entire lid here. It's a shade called Blonde. Next up, I'm going to be taking a color called Hickory with a pencil brush and start making that wing. And then we're gonna go back in and really blend everything out. And I'm gonna use another color called Warm Cedar. I'm gonna really enforce that bottom line there. I'm gonna add a little bit of warmth here with a shade called Hazel. But we wanna follow the line because it all ends up blending in with that liner. Then I'm gonna take a liquid liner called Master Precise All Day, and this is from Maybelline New York. It looks like this. And we're gonna start with the line that we've created with our eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start by dragging it down and then connecting it here and then out a little bit more towards the middle of my eye. And then I'm gonna fill it in. I need a new one. Hold up. Okay, just switched my eyeliner. This one is from SMASHBOX and it's called Always On Liquid Liner. We're gonna go with this one here and do exactly what I just said. We're gonna make one line following the bottom of that wing that we created with the eyeshadow. Then we're gonna take it at an angle and go towards the middle of your eye and then fill it in. Then I'm gonna go back in with Warm Cedar, it's that dark brown color, and go like right in the corner here and just blend it out. Blend it out, blend, 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 blend. Now that I got my ponytail and one lash strip on, I'm gonna go ahead and pop the other one on. I'm using Ardell Wispy Lashes in the number 700. When I'm wearing my false lashes, I tend to use Duo Dark. It just blends the strip well with my eyeliner. I'm gonna do a coat of mascara, and the mascara I used today was from IT Cosmetics. It's called Super-ERD, and it really does thicken up these little sad crusty eyelashes of mine. So I'm gonna shake these up and drop them on. I'm gonna let those dry a bit, but I'm gonna go ahead and move on. What I'm gonna do is just add some darkness to my waterline and drag a little bit of that liquid liner into the inner tear ducts. I'm going to be using a chubby pencil from Rimmel London called Scandalize in the shade Blackmail in the waterline. I'm going to be really careful not to get it anywhere else. Get a little bit more of that eyeliner right in the inner tear duct. Next, I'm going to go in with a little bit of this mineralized skin finish from MAC, and I'm just going to go ahead and do some light contour all over my face. Ariana Grande always has the most beautiful tan ever. Then I'm going to be taking blush from Bare Mineral in the shade That Peach Though. Just placing it right here on the apples of my cheeks. Next up, I'm going to be taking a little bit of Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Conceited. First, I'm going to spray my face with some MAC Fix Plus. I'm gonna use whatever I have on my lid or cap here and go really quickly because this stuff is powerful over my cheekbones like that. But let's finish off this look with the lips. I'm using a product from NARS, and it is called Dance Fever. It's like a chubby pencil, and it's the best shade I've ever used. So I'm just going to quickly line my lips. I'm gonna go back over it again. It's super creamy, so it blends really nicely too. Then I'm gonna fill in my lips using Celebrity Skin from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna fill that in. This is my second tube of this shade. I absolutely love it. Go over that quickly. I'm so tempted to put some mascara on my lower lash line, but I'm gonna switch mascaras though. I'm gonna use one from Lancome. It's just really thin, and I know I won't mess up my makeup in my concealer zone. And this is the final look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Let me know your thoughts, comments, and requests in the comment section down below. Also, check out the description box for a full link of all the makeup used in today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Join my family, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!